Guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk about the Fur-eel PRO II, all new product that we're offering here at Sky's the Limit Car Care. It is made for removing pet hair, and today we're going to talk about how it works, what adapters it comes with, what those adapters are for, and whether or not you need them or not, what size hoses it works with, what machines it works with, and when you need an adapter for either or of those. And then we're going to get into how it compares to other things on the market like the Lily brush, which we also offer. And then finally we're going to do a demonstration and show you how well it pulls Ghost's hair out of Lewis's truck here. So stick around for that, and I hope you enjoy the video. So the first question I'm sure you're asking is, what is the Fur-eel PRO II? The Fur-eel PRO II is this tool right here. It utilizes polymeric silicone bristles, which are pretty stiff, and these are built onto this attachment so that you can connect this to your vacuum cleaner. It works with a variety of vacuum cleaners, your Rigid, a lot of shop vacs, works with most attachments on the market, and you can use it to pull the hair up out of your upholstery. So out of all the tools I've ever used, nothing's impressed me more than this one has as far as pulling your pet hair up. When it comes to pet hair and different types of upholstery, some makes and models of upholstery in cars have some really difficult fabric where the pet hair really gets lodged in there, and you could blow them and you can suck on them and nothing's going to come out of there. But with this has a special type of material, like I said, the polymeric silicone bristles, and that grabs those hairs and just pulls them right out of the thing. So it allows even a vacuum that doesn't have a lot of suction to pull the hairs right up. So next question you're probably asking is, what are the adapters for? Well, if you buy the combo kit right here, you get the Fur-eel II and then also the unit called the Fang, and that is these two pieces. That obviously is the unit that I just described called the Fur-eel. The Fang is an adapter so that you can slide that on like that, and that converts it to a round unit, so that this will fit into some hoses but not all hoses. For instance, this is a rigid hose, but it doesn't come stock with a lot of the rigids. This is an upgraded hose kit, and so if you have the upgraded hose kit from Rigid, you don't need this adapter. All you need is this combo kit, and then this will slide directly into there, and it's a perfect seal, no problem, and you're ready to go. If you do not have the upgraded Rigid package and you just have the standard Rigid hose, in that case, this is not going to fit in there. It's too big. And so in that case, you want to actually pick up this, which we sell separately, and this is called the adapter for the Fur-eel. The adapter pops in like that, and then it actually is kind of a one-size-fits-all, or fits most at least. And as you tighten that, you'll see this getting larger, so it'll fit into different hoses. For instance, this is a stock Rigid hose. It's going to come with any Rigid without any upgrade, and you just put it in there. Looks loose. Well, now you just take this and hold that like that, and then just turn this, and you see the little pictogram on the side here. It shows if it locks or tightens, and you just turn it to the right, righty-tighty, and now that's locked in there. Like, I can't pull that off. It's 100% sealed, and that's all locked in. So in that case, you're all set with that adapter. So the next question I'm sure you're asking is, how does this compare to the Lily brush or some of the other pet hair removal devices on the market? Lily brush is a tool that we offer as well. As far as how they compare, obviously with a Lily brush, you're able to manually, it doesn't connect to the vacuum, you're able to manually drag and pull a lot of that fur up and out of the car, but it doesn't have any kind of vacuum. So this is kind of a combination of that, although the rubber is different. They use a rubber on the Lily brush, and this uses a polymerized silicone. But then this also, obviously, you have connected section, so it's kind of, or to the suction. So it's kind of a best of both worlds scenario. There's other tools out there on the market that have like a blower that blows and sucks stuff out, but again, those don't have, the way this compares to those is that those don't have any kind of rubber that's actually dislodging and pulling those bristles up, as you can see, even without suction, this is doing. So I think that's pretty much every question you guys might want to ask. As far as prices go, I will mention that you're looking at $14.99 to $24.99, depending on the piece. I think the combo unit is about $24.99, but you can see all those prices below in the comments or in the description, and then also, of course, on our website if you click there. So we're going to go ahead and get into the demonstration. That's the fun part, so stick around. Right in the middle of our demonstration here, we just paused the vacuum so I could give you some of my first thoughts about actually using it for an extended period of time. And my first impression on the actual removal of hair from fabric is really great. Like with the tool on there, it really pulls the fabric right up, as you can see in the video. Just took me a couple minutes to do the majority of this trunk area. And there was a lot of fur, as you can still see up here. There's still quite a bit. I started doing this area here, but one place that I find you need a little bit of assistance with is near the edges. So along here, when you get real tight up against the edges, a little bit of fur will stick along the edge. Just takes a little bit longer right in those edges, or maybe have a lily brush handy to get in there and pull on it with that scraper edge. But you can still do it with this. It just takes another second or so. But other than that, it still pulls, you know, the rocks up, the sand up, all those other things that you want to pull out of the thing. But as far as pet fur, really very impressive and a huge time saver. All right, guys. So some closing thoughts on the Fur-eel pet brush tool or pet hair tool. Really amazing device. Couple tips for you. When you go to actually get in there and use it, especially in the seams, don't be afraid to really grind on that device and really power that all the way into the edge and press down hard, and that'll really pull everything up when you're down there in those tight seams, like along the edge of a panel of upholstery. That'll really pull those edge parts out. As usual with anything detailing, or really anything in life, I guess. The first 80% takes about 20% of the effort. The last 20%, you know, really getting the details of things and getting that last 10 or 20% the way you want it and getting that perfection to it, that's going to take 90% of your energy. So, you know, it all comes down to what kind of results you want to achieve. And if you want to achieve really good results in less time, then the Fur-eel is definitely the right tool for you. If you have a vacuum cleaner, you want to make that a lot easier for your job and to save time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below and we'll answer those right away for you. If you haven't subscribed already, please be sure to do so. That helps us make great videos for you. And that's pretty much it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, and be sure to pick up your Fur-eel from us if you are interested and you think it'll be a great tool for you. Thanks, guys.